Hey, Mr. G here, and I'm going to show you how to play the Sus2 guitar chord using the E shape or 6-string pattern. Now, the Sus2 guitar chord is made up of your first, second, and fifth. In today's example, I'm going to be playing the C Sus2 guitar chord. And hey, don't forget to subscribe and like. So for the C Sus2 guitar chord, this is what it looks like, and this is what it sounds like. And first of all, you're going to be playing your root note there. The root note is on a 6th string, 8th fret, and you can play that with your index finger. And then on the 5th string, 10th fret, I'm going to use my ring finger and play that G. And then I'm going to bar over the next two notes with my pinky. So on the 12th fret, 4th string, using my pinky, I'm going to play that D. Then on the 12th fret, 3rd string, using my pinky, I'm going to play that G. And when you put them all together, it sounds like this. Practice your strumming. Practice playing each note individually so it sounds nice and crisp. Hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to check out my other videos.